So if you're a person who resists going on social media, meaning that you understand Gary Vee's advice, you understand Russell Brunson's advice, and you accept it as something that you should be doing, but it's hard to actually do because you don't like going on social media, this is a great way to simultaneously be on social media without being on social media. So do you follow Gary Vee, or were you at Funnel Hacking Live 2023 and found out about the attractive character flywheel? If either of these things are true, one thing is known for sure. The people you are listening to are telling you to post a lot of content. Not only a lot of content, multiple pieces of content on multiple platforms. Now, what is this actually enabling you to do? It's enabling you to reach audiences on different platforms. So while the advice is actually sound, the problem is that it actually takes a lot of time and energy and effort to go into each of these platforms and post with strategic content for that platform versus a different platform, because ultimately what you're going to post on Facebook is going to be a little different from what you post on TikTok. How do we actually do this though? Because Gary Vee and Russell Brunson are all about actually posting a lot of content and being omnipresent everywhere. But there is a big gap between being omnipresent and easily being able to post simultaneously on different platforms. So I am going to show you a demonstration on how this is actually possible and the easiest way to be able to post simultaneously on multiple platforms. We are in my Metricool account, which I am going to link below if you want to try it out. You can try it for free and you get 50 free posts a month until you want to use the paid version. But believe me, once you see how much time and energy this is going to save you, then it's going to be an easy cost to justify, and it's not that expensive. I'm not sure off the top of my head, but the plans will all be outlined for you. But you get 50 free posts on the free account, so why not? So I have all of my accounts connected here. So let's say we want to post a Facebook reel, an Instagram reel, we want to post a Pinterest reel, and we want to do TikTok, and we want to do a YouTube short. So obviously all of those are mobile version of a video. So as you can see here, it's telling me what I still need to put into this post so that it's actually viable. So let's go ahead and add a video from computer. Okay, so we're just going to use this as an example. I actually found a cashback app where you can literally earn money back for your Christmas shopping, and I was like, why the heck not? But for the purposes of this demo, we have a way to simultaneously be able to post on all of these platforms. So there is a way to actually edit these posts by network. So you're still able to post on all of these platforms at once, however, individually. So if we select edit by network, and this is in the wrong spot, so we say Facebook comment here. If I could spell. So as you can see though, we are editing these in, and if we wanted to say use a template, we could post the same thing on each platform. However, you're also able to literally edit individual comments per each platform. And one of the reasons you would do this is because, for instance, on Instagram, you can't put a link in the description because it's not clickable. However, on YouTube and TikTok, that's not true. So potentially on different platforms, you would be providing a different comment section because a different action would want to happen from this video. So with that being said, this is a way to simultaneously post on all of these different platforms at once. Now, this would fulfill what Gary Vee says is a necessary evil of content marketing these days, where you have to post on all the different platforms every day. And this also appeases Russell Brunson's attractive character flywheel because he also has the different platforms. But that is so much easier said than done. And that's why this app is a lifesaver when it comes to actually implementing what the advice these two are giving. It doesn't make it bad advice. It just is missing a big gap between what they're saying and how to do it. So I hope that this has helped. The link is down in the description if you want to do the free trial and test this out for yourself. Attach your social media accounts, see how it works. And honestly, one of the other key benefits of this platform is that you're able to post on social media without actually going on social media. So if you're a person who resists going on social media, meaning that you understand Gary Vee's advice, you understand Russell Brunson's advice, and you accept it as something that you should be doing, but it's hard to actually do because you don't like going on social media, this is a great way to simultaneously be on social media without being on social media. So I hope this has helped. Happy Funnelmas, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.